Hello everyone, I'm Chris and welcome to Forex Strategy Hub. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of Forex trading and uncover the top 10 myths that cost me thousands. I'll be sharing my personal experiences and lessons learned in the hope that it will help you avoid making the same mistakes. So, let's get started. Myth number 1. Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. This is one of the most common misconceptions about Forex trading. People often think that they can become rich overnight by making a few trades. But the truth is, Forex trading is a long-term investment that requires discipline, patience, and education. Myth number 2. You don't need a trading plan. Another big myth is that you don't need a trading plan. But in reality, having a solid trading plan is crucial for success in Forex trading. It helps you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Myth number 3. Forex trading is easy. Many people believe that Forex trading is easy and that anyone can do it. But the truth is, Forex trading requires a lot of hard work and dedication. You need to have a good understanding of the market and be able to analyze data and trends. Myth number 4. You can trade with no emotions. Emotions play a big role in Forex trading, and it's important to acknowledge and manage them. Trying to trade with no emotions is impossible, but what you can do is develop strategies to manage your emotions and avoid making impulsive decisions. Myth number 5. You don't need to keep learning. Continuing your education is essential in Forex trading. The market is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments and trends. Myth number 6. You can trade without risk. Risk is an inherent part of Forex trading, and it's important to understand and manage it. There's no such thing as a trade without risk, but you can minimize your risks by having a solid trading plan and managing your emotions. Myth number 7. Forex trading is a solo sport. Many people believe that Forex trading is a solo sport and that you don't need help from others. But the truth is, having a community of traders to support you and provide feedback can be incredibly helpful. Myth number 8. You can trade 24/7. Trading 24/7 is not sustainable and can lead to burnout. It's important to have a work-life balance and to take breaks when necessary. Myth number 9. Forex trading is a zero-sum game. Forex trading is not a zero-sum game, and it's important to understand that both you and your counterparty can make a profit from a trade. Myth number 10. Forex trading is a magic formula. Forex trading is not a magic formula, and there's no guarantee of success. It takes hard work, discipline, and a good understanding of the market to be successful. So, there you have it, the top 10 myths that cost me thousands in Forex trading. I hope that by sharing my experiences and lessons learned, I've been able to help you avoid making the same mistakes. Remember, Forex trading is a long-term investment, and it requires discipline, patience, and education. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.